Welcome back to STS. In today's video, we're going to prove that these two trig identities are the same. On the left-hand side, we have tangent squared theta plus 1, and that quantity is divided by cosecant squared theta, and we're saying that there is equal to tangent squared theta. First thing you should do is to recognize that we need to use one of our trig identities, and that trig identity is that the tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. Alright, so with that, we can take this entire numerator and change that numerator into this value that you see here. So we're going to do a rewrite where I have secant squared theta over cosecant squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. At this point, we need to remember that secant theta is the reciprocal of cosine. So secant squared is really 1 over cosine squared theta. And also remember that cosecant is the inverse of sine. So this here is 1 over sine squared theta. And again, everything is equal to tangent squared theta. We have a complex fraction here on the left. So let's go ahead and begin to resolve this complex fraction. So we write the numerator of the complex fraction, which is 1 over cosine squared theta. And we multiply that by the reciprocal of the denominator. And that's just a big word that just means to flip the denominator. So the denominator turns into sine squared theta over 1. And again, everything is equal to tangent squared theta. At this point, when we resolve on the left-hand side, we end up with sine squared theta over cosine squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. Another identity or something we should be aware of is that tangent theta is equal to sine, let's go back, is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. So here we can say that sine squared theta over cosine squared theta is the same thing as tangent squared theta. So here we have tangent squared theta is equal to tangent squared theta. So through these steps, we've shown that these two trig values are congruent or are the same. That sums up this video by Speller Tutorial Services. Please friend us on Facebook. Also subscribe to that YouTube channel. And as always, thank you guys for watching.